channel. My name is Mary, if you don't know that. I am very happy to have you here. Alright guys, so today we are going to be doing a makeup look. I'm not really sure yet what I'm doing, but you will see on the thumbnail what I have decided. So I'm actually on vacation right now in Connecticut with my family. So this is what my makeup bag looks like. So this is all the essential makeup that I brought. Also, if you hear some background noise, I'm sorry, that's just my parents were all getting ready for church, so that's what that is. So hopefully it's not distracting. So let's just get right on into the video. Yeah. Alright, so the first thing that I like to do is conceal my face first before I put foundation, just for little blemishes and red discoloration and stuff like that. So I am going to be taking the CoverGirl. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and this is in the color Classic Ivory. This stuff is a Shape Tape dupe, y'all. If you love Shape Tape and you don't want to be spending those coins on Shape Tape, get this. Look at this big doe foot application, and it's so thick and creamy, and this stuff lasts forever. I didn't have to buy a new one until like months later. So this right here, y'all, it's good. Should take my little dirty beauty blender. Sorry, it looks like that, and blend it all in. Okay, next is the foundation. So I mixed two foundations. This first one is e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. This is a medium coverage and it's oil free, and this works very nice, but it's in the shade Light Ivory, and it's like a little too light for me, surprisingly. So I do mix it with this here. This is just the Super BB Cream by Physicians Formula, and this is in the shade Light Medium. So this is like a darker, as you can see, a lot darker. So I mix it too, and they will smell really good. That's what's funny, and I love it. I'm like, it just smells so good when I apply it to my face. I am going to use one pump of this and one squirt of this, just like that. Now we are going to apply it to our and blend. Alright, so once you have your foundation base on there, then I'm going to go back in with the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer and just use this to brighten my eyes and my chin and forehead. Alright, so now that we have our lovely base of foundation and concealer on, we are going to take this Coty Loose Air Spun Face Powder. This is in the shade Naturally Neutral. Take some of this, and we're going to bake our face, just like our under eyes and whatever we put concealer on, pretty much. So I just lightly do it on my forehead and chin as well, and then I do my eyelids so my eyeshadow won't crease. Yay. Okay, then I pretty much wipe off my powder like immediately, because I do have pretty dry skin, so I don't want to look too like flaky. So I just take this e.l.f. Kabuki brush. It's so cute and little. Just swipe that off. Swipe or no swiping. Remember that from Dora? I loved that show. Okay, next we are going to use some bronzer for our face. So this is just the LA Color bronzer in the shade Sun Goddess. And then I'm just taking this double-sided fluffy brush. This was from the store Primark. It's really good. I'm using this side. I'm just gonna Next, I am going to be taking the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Blush Lighter. It's called blush lighter. I just got this the other day and it's really good. This is in the shade Highlight Bling, I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna take the other side of this brush and dip it into Le Blush. Kind of blending upward and a little on the tip of my nose. All right, so after the blush, then I'm going to be taking this fan brush. I think this was also probably from e.l.f. or something. It's a fan highlighter brush. And we're gonna go right into this shade, the highlighter, and put this up here on top of our cheeks and above our brow. Like, girl, look at her already sparkling and shining. That's queen. I love me some good highlight, you know what I mean? Some in the inner corner and under my brows. And sometimes I don't always fill in my brows because I just kind of like the natural look, but today, because we are going kind of like more of a full face, I will do my brows. Also, this is the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Taupe. So it's really cute. It's, girl, literally like $3. You have a spoolie on one end and you have the pencil on the other. Sorry. Snatched brow, unsnatched brow. All right, so now that our brows are done, I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy Palette. It's very cute, girl. Still smells like gingerbread, even from Christmas. So first, I'm going to be taking the color Lick the Spoon. I use this almost every single day because it's just a really pretty shimmery color. We're going to take this one here. This is called For the Gram. It's so cute because they take everything, they put it back into like cookies, so it's like a G-R-A-H-M, like a graham cracker instead of like Instagram. Adorable. All right, so once we have that nice pretty color base down, then we are going to go into, I'm going to take this darker brown shade. It's called Cookie Call, and we're going to put that in our outer crease to deepen it up. These colors are also really pigmented, which is nice. So like, I just barely like touched it, and look how like dark that is. That's nice. Okay, so once you have now this nice kind of like orangey brown smoky eye, I'm going to go back into this light white shade color. It's called Vanilla Wafers. And what I always do is I take a really light white and just go over like the outer edge again, just to blend out any harsh like dark colors. I've always done that and it seems to work well, so that just helps to blend. All right, so I think that's good. I'm just gonna go back into this color right here, the Lick the Spoon, and just put that like kind of all over my lid again, just to brighten it back up again. Not over the crease, just the lid. It is so funny because I think I forgot to bring my liquid eyeliner. Did I ever? Well, guys, I guess we're just gonna be doing lashes and liner underneath today because I forgot to bring my liquid liner. It's okay. It's all good. I'm going to be taking these amazing lashes that I love. They are called Valencia 5D Faux Mink Lashes, 7 pairs, and they're in the shade. They're in the kind, it's called DUPE for these, and they are so fluffy and cute, girl. I love them. They came with so many, and they were like 10 bucks from Amazon, girl. And then I am going to be taking the Duo Quick Set Lash Glue, and this is in the dark shade. It's in dark tone. It looks kind of like a navy blue or something when you apply it. And while this lash glue is getting tacky, we are going to put on our mascara. And this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara in the shade, I'm pretty sure it's like very black or something like that, like the darkest one. But it's so funny. I love this mascara. My good friend Selena gave it to me for my birthday. But I didn't like the wand because I like wands that are like really full. So I took this out of another mascara that I had and then I just put it in here. So that's why there's two different color caps. So we are just going to coat my lashes. I don't coat them that much when I'm putting on lashes, false lashes. Girl, look how gorgeous they are. I had to go get a Q-tip because just like I suspected, lash glue on my lid. And we are going to put a little black liner in our lower waterline. So this is the LA Colors Auto Eyeliner in black. Okay, now we are going to go right back into the same mascara and just put it on our bottom lashes. I'm going to go back in with that same little highlight again and just do a little more in my inner corner, under my brow. Like, girl, look how good that is. That's so pigmented. Pretty much lastly, the last thing we have to do, I'm going to be going in with this Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick. And this is in the shade Gingerbread Man. As you can see, I got these both together. And this pretty much goes with this eye look. It's cute, so put on my lips, girl. Oh my gosh, this also smells so good. Like, I don't know how they do it. It literally smells like a gingerbread cookie, but like even better than that. It's like vanilla and gingerbread or something. I don't know how they make it smell so sweet and so like genuine. Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. Alright, girl, and this is the finished result. You have this really nice smoky eye on the top, and then you have this really pretty dark lip that ties it all together. So that is the finished result. It's like a nice fall-y look with the red, like dark reddish, deep red look on the lips, and then the darker eyes. And I think this is really cute for upcoming fall, girl, because like I cannot believe summer is practically over. September is like here, so this is a nice fall look that you guys can do. It reminds me of like pumpkins and apples and all good things of fall. I love fall so much. So I hope you enjoyed my normal to glam glow up, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching and for your support, and please do not forget to subscribe. It really means a lot to me that you would subscribe to me and follow me along this journey to see more videos like these coming in the future. And please like and comment below anything you guys want to comment, how you liked the makeup tutorial, and any video suggestions you would like for me to do in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to go out and change the world and have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.